Hey, Tech Guide Ninjas here. Hope you're having a good day today. So today we're looking at how to hide your activity on LinkedIn. So I'm going to show you a few different options here. So from your home page, you're going to click on Me, then Settings and Privacy. Then we're going to scroll down on the left and click on Visibility. So here's where you can edit how visible you are on LinkedIn. The first bit I want you to look at is managing your active status. So I'm going to click on there. So who can see that you're currently active while you're using LinkedIn? If you want no one to know that you're on LinkedIn, you can click on no one. If you just want your connections to see that you're using LinkedIn, you can click on that one, or all LinkedIn members, there's an option for that. So if you want to hide your visibility, click no one, and no one will ever know that when you're using LinkedIn. So I'm going to go back and scroll to the top. So there's other ways to edit your visibility as well. So profile viewing options. So I'm going to click on that. So you can select what others see when you viewed their profile. So if you want to stay anonymous and you don't want people to know that you've looked at their profile, you can click on private mode, and this is what they will see, just that an anonymous LinkedIn member looked at their profile. If you don't mind being seen, you can click on one of the other options and they will see your name and headline. The other option is page visit visibility. So do you want organizations to see that you visited their LinkedIn page? So you can toggle this on or off. If you don't mind them seeing that you visited their page, you can click it on. If you want to stay hidden, keep it off. So that's it for today. I hope that was helpful. Please like the video and subscribe. I will see you soon.